What's up, YouTube? It's your boy Kevin Love. Happy Sunday, fun day. It's only right that I show you my Burgundy Hoover Soft and Light, my 7 amp. It is a triple filtration system. I got this one in 2020 at a DAV for I think 12 bucks. Very beautiful, but I can't talk. Very beautiful machine. Working headlight, brand new bag, belt. I've had this one since 2020, so let's just go ahead and get straight to the point. You've all seen the green one, you've seen the blue one, and now here is the burgundy one. So let's do this. There she is. That one has the tan handlebar. Thought that was pretty cool. And with that being said, I hope you all come watch, like, and subscribe. Till next time, people. Till next time.